Hello, students. This is Mrs. Gedeke. It is Tuesday, which means that you are one day into your 7th week of distance learning. I can hardly believe that it has been almost 2 months. I'm going to today in this instructional video. Just the assignment for today is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to talk you through and just give some information basically on what the next few weeks are going to look like. So, we've been doing work with characters, doing character analysis, and more recently, learning about character archetypes. This week and next week, we basically are finishing that up. And the way we're doing this is we're actually working um, on a summative assessment. So this will be a summative assessment. However, this is going to be, we're trying to take more of a fun spin on it. So it'll be more creative and it'll be a project that I think you guys will enjoy and will be relevant to our modern lives, especially since everything is virtual and digital right now during COVID-19. Okay, so today, your learning target is to choose a novel, character, and social media platform to present my understanding of character archetypes. Okay, before you do that, you're going to listen to the last section of the crossover. So we will actually finish the book today. Woohoo! And then after you listen to the crossover, you are going to be starting what we're calling your Finsta project. So if you're not um, familiar with social media, Instagram, Finsta just means fake Instagram, basically. So you're going to be making a fake social media persona or account for a character in a book, basically. That's your project. Now, you're not actually going to go onto Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or Twitter and make an account. When we say you're making a fake social media account, it's going to be like in Google Slides, you're making it look like it's somebody's Instagram page. Okay, we're not having anybody sign up for a social media account. Okay, so throughout the week, we will be continuing to work on your Finsta project. So your social media, fake social media account. Just basically, you're going to pick a character from your book and then set up things like their profile. So, um, who the person is, who they're friends with, photos of them, their likes and dislikes. Eventually, then you're going to actually be writing posts and like status updates or post photos on different Google Docs or Google Slides. So it looks like your character is posting an update of what they're doing this weekend on social media, just as an example. But today, you are just going to plan, okay? You're just planning it out. So very, very small steps. So this document, Finsta Day 1, has the same learning target that I read for you. But basically, what I want you to do today is pick a character from your independent reading book. Now, I do know a few of you are reading something that's nonfiction. Um, it would probably be best to pick the most recent narrative book that you have read. Otherwise, shoot me an email or talk to me during office hours and we'll figure it out. Pick a character from your book. Okay, you need to explain to me why you picked that character and what is that character's archetype. Okay, having a fake social media account for a character is actually a really intense way to do character analysis because in order to kind of create a social media or an internet personality, you have to be able to determine and kind of put your character into a box. Like, are they kind of class clownish or are they, um, very bubbly and emotional? You have to kind of pick out what their personality type is and determine what their archetype is in order to do this project successfully. Then you're going to pick a social media platform. So we wrote down Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. Again, you're not actually creating an account on any of those websites. I just want to give you guys a glimpse. You don't have access to these yet, but eventually you'll have access if you want to use these templates. Your seventh grade ELA team, we've been putting these together. So, for example, here would be a Google Slide template where you could make someone's Instagram page. This would be a Facebook page. Here's an example of George Washington's uh, Facebook page. Okay, you don't have to use the templates, but I do suggest that unless you're feeling really creative, it could be good to do so. For TikTok, I know TikTok is really popular right now. If you are particularly tech savvy or want to commit more time to this project and you like TikTok, feel free to do that. But know that you're going to have to figure out a way, basically, whether it's like a Google Slide where you have links to videos that you upload, not to TikTok, but if you maybe uploaded them, made a YouTube channel and uploaded them on a document, you could do that. But for simplicity's sake, the Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter social media page for your character will probably be simpler. Okay. This document is all you are doing today, okay? And then you're going to click turn in. Please do not forget to click turn in. Your fake social media, basically, you're going to be getting something new to add to it each day, whether it's, a certain task or have your character write a social media post about something. And we're only giving you day by day what you need to know. We're not going to be putting a ton of detail on your weekly agenda because we don't want you working ahead, okay? Because when students work ahead, oftentimes work gets rushed. So we want you to just take it day by day and have fun with it. You can, starting tomorrow, we'll get to do kind of more of the fun, creative stuff, like this, and you can get as creative as you want. I will talk more about that then. But for today, you just have this document. All right. Hit me up at office hours if you have any questions. Otherwise, send me an email or Google Hangouts chat if that is easier for you than getting on camera. Up to you. Okay. I hope you have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you tomorrow.